Hadith 1130. Jabir, may Allah be pleased with him, reported, the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, when you have finished your salah in the mosque, you should observe some of your salah at home. Allah will bless your homes because of your salah. Muslim.
شوف يا إخواني, you are a responsible person in your house. You should be a person who is a role model for your family, because you're the adults here and the husbands and the fathers. So you have to have allocated a place where your family pray their prayer. So if you're, for example, far away from the masjid, you can't pray your obligatory in the masjid, then pray in jama'ah with your family at the house. And ittakhidhu, take a place, spot, as a musalla in the house. So they come to the musalla. So they know it's like a little masjid of yours. اتخاذ المصليات في الدور. There's a book called Taking the Places for Prayer in the Houses. There was a companion woman, she asked the Prophet ﷺ, she was to pray with him. He acknowledged she wanted to pray with him, but she said, your prayer in the house of yours is better than the prayer in my masjid. And the prayer inside the corner in that room of yours better than the prayer in the courtyard outside, which is in your house. So the more you are privacy of you is better. But also, the Prophet of Allah, she asked him to come to the house and pray in a place she could take it as a musalla for hers. And also, Anas radiallahu anhu, he had seen the Prophet ﷺ coming to him, and he took a place and he cleaned it and he made it, this is a musalla. So this is a musalla for them, the musalla of the house. So you are a role model. Your children are going to see, are you keen to do the prayer on time? You're telling them to be praying on time and all of this. You're a role model. You're going to die, and then all of this is going to be either for you or against you. If you're not really keen to do this, it's going to be against you. They're taking this, you are the one who's telling them, wake up, just like you are keen to make sure that, for example, they go and study on time and school. You tell them off why you're late for the school. Do you know why you tell them to go to school? It's not because you are keen, you are keen to make sure that they educate. No, because you don't want to be told off by the school, because you are responsible. So you're going to be told off by the Almighty Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. You can't really care about the Allah Azza wa Jal. You know what, some of the parents, come forward, you're going to get warmer for us. Some of the parents, when it comes to the waking up the children for the prayer, it's too early for them, let them sleep a bit. Correct? They sympathize. But when it comes to school, get up for school. 8 o'clock. But for the Fajr, it's haram. Sympathize with him. Allah is Ghafoor Rahim. Let him have more prayer. When it comes to the school, discipline. Wake up, has his cereals, has his breakfast, has his uniform, school uniform.